Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are good and happy at home. Okay students, but keep practicing at home at the same time. Okay. So let's start our today's class. Today I am going to discuss with you singular and plural. In our earlier video I have also discussed this topic. Today I am also going to discuss some few more examples in this video. Let's start. So today I am going to discuss with you first some examples of plural nouns. Okay, plural nouns. Plural nouns. As I told you in our last video that for some plural nouns we have to add s or es to the nouns. For some plural nouns we add es to the nouns. Okay, we add es to the nouns. For some plural nouns we add es to the nouns. Here I am going to give you some examples like one box, one dress, D-R-E-S-S, one dress, one brush, one bench. These all are singular nouns. Okay, because here we can see only one item is showing. One box, one dress, one brush and one bench. These all are singular nouns. Now we have to convert it to the plural nouns. We have to convert it to the plural nouns. How? One box, many boxes. That means we have to add es to the nouns. Many boxes. See, here we are adding es to the nouns. So, one box, many boxes. One dress, many dresses. D-R-E-S-S-E-S. Again, we are adding es to the noun. One brush, many brushes. B-R-U-S-H-E-S. Many brushes. One bench, many benches. Okay, clear? See, these all are called singular nouns and these all are called plural nouns because here it is shown more than one item. Okay, understood what I said? Now let's discuss some exercises. That exercise we will find in page number 23. Go through page number 23. Page number 23. Please have a look to the page number 23. Now change them into many. Change, C-H-A-N-G, change them into many by adding s or es. Okay. So our first example is toothbrush. T-O-O-T-H. Toothbrush. Second one is glass. G-L-A-S-S. Glass. Next one is box. B-O-X. Box. Next, fox. F-O-X. Fox. Next, bus. B-U-S. Bus. And last one is dress. D-R-E-S-S. So now we have to change all these nouns into many. Here it is showing only one item. We have to convert it to the Many. How? Toothbrush. Toothbrush. If we have to convert it into many, then we have to add es to the toothbrush. B-R-U-S-H-E-S. Brushes. The pronunciation is brushes. That means it shows more than one item. Brushes. Glass to glasses. One glass to many glasses. One box to many boxes. B-O-X-E-S. Boxes. Fox, foxes. F-O-X-E-S. Foxes. Then bus means one bus to many buses. B-U-S-E-S. Buses. One dress to many dresses. As I told you, for some plural nouns we have to add es to the nouns. These are the examples. Toothbrush, toothbrushes. Glass, glasses. Box, boxes. Fox, foxes. Bus, buses. Dress, dresses. These are the few examples of adding es to the nouns. Now, our next point is tick the correct option. Tick the correct option. Tick the correct option. Number 1. Two girl or girls. Two girl or girls are talking. Let's write all the examples. After that we'll do. Many bee or bees. Many bee or bees are buzzing. B-U-Z-Z-I-N-G. Are buzzing around them. Number 3. A cow or cows. A cow or cows is eating grass. Is eating grass. Number 4. A boy or boys is running around. Is running around. Okay, now let's discuss these exercises. You will find these exercises in page number 23. So please practice at home. So here we have a sentence like two girl or girls are talking. We can see two. Two means more than one girl. More than one girl. More than one item means plural noun, as we know. So two, not girl. It will be two girls are talking. Remember one thing, for plural noun in a sentence we have to use for plural noun are, and in singular noun we have to use is. Is for singular noun, are for plural noun. So here two girls are talking. Clear? Two girls are talking means it is called plural noun. Plural sentence. Number 1 is done. Next, number 2. Many. Many. Whenever we use many, that is called plural noun. Many, that denotes plural noun. Many bee, not many bee. Bee means one bee, one item. But here it shows many. So with many, we have to use bees. Many bees are buzzing around them. So answer is bees. Many bees are buzzing around them. Many bees. Next, number 3. A. You can also say one. One cow or a cow, both are similar. A cow or cows is eating grass. Is means, as I told you, is, whenever we use is, it is called singular. Singular form. So, a cow or cows is eating grass. We have A, that means we have to use singular noun, that is cow. Singular noun is cow. A cows, not, this is wrong, this will be wrong. Many, if we have many here, then we have to use many with cows, many cows. But here we have a, means one item. So a cow is eating grass. A cow is eating grass. Okay. Next, number 4. A boy or boys is running around. Point out the a, then is. We have to use a with singular noun, and singular noun is which one? Boy or boys? Boy is a singular noun because one boy. If boys means more than one boy or many boys. So a boy is running around. If you have many, then we include many with boys. We can say many boys, but we can't say a boys. A means one item. So a boy is running around. A boy is running around. Clear? So you go through page number 23 and practice at home. Tick the correct option and other exercises. So I hope in this video, after watching this video, you will able to know and do the exercises in your book. So in our next class, I will come up with a new topic. Till then, have a good day. Bye bye. Thank you.